G'day, welcome to this short video of how to eliminate cat urine smell permanently. Now, this is on behalf of Ken, the odor dude. That's Ken there. He's a professional full-time odor removal expert, has been doing this for over 12 years, and this is the exact technique that he uses every single day. Okay, so the first thing is, and this is really important, is finding the contamination. Now in some cases it's really easy. This one here is so obvious. A cat has been urinating up against a wall. You can see it. The room would be stinking. You can see the darker spot on the carpet there, so it's really obvious. Other times it's not obvious at all and you just would not have a clue where it is. There's no damage to the carpet, but you can smell strong cat urine, and we see this on a regular basis. So the technique that Ken uses is to spray the carpet with a fine mist, and he uses what's called Formula 2, and you can see the link there. You can go over and have a look at it. And with the Formula 2, it will foam white where the contamination is. Now it's just 4 chemicals that are mixed together. It's very simple to do, easy to do, and you can jump over there and have a look at it. Now once you find the areas, you pour on the chemicals. So you can use the same one you've mixed up to spray the top of the carpet. You just pour it on as shown, and that's going to actually foam up and it's going to destroy all the urine. Now the next step 3 is, do you want to remove what's been poured on? So you can do that by extracting it. The little carpet extractor is shown there, or you can use folded up towels and stand on them. Now the photograph doesn't show the towels folded up, sorry. You need to fold them in half and half and half again, put it on top of the contamination and put your full weight on it, okay, and that'll suck the chemical out. So you remove the liquid and then you repeat the process again. Now if you get foaming once again, you know there's more urine there. If you don't get any foaming, you know you've actually nailed it. Okay, so that's how you do it. Very simple and easy. Jump over to odordude.com. You can join the free membership site there. You can sign up and get access to every sort of odor you want to do. That's all laid out for you. There's rat urine, dog urine, cat urine, cigarette smoke in cars, rotten meat smells in fridges, whatever you need, it's all there. And if you want to get hold of that formulation, jump over to odordude.com/more-information. Okay, thanks for watching, and we will look forward to helping you in the future. Cheers, bye.